that, but
You know these guys are so...
how the smoker smoke.
Man,
Don't smoke! You did not hear that.
Wait, I can't...
You suck, Pastor.
Project
This
sucks
one's
so
not
much.
lighting up.
We just noob.
Cover it.
Oh, Sabrina's pro though.
Ow!
Ow!
Wow, you guys suck.
Are you gonna take a picture? Or?
No, it's a video.
Oh, video.
All right.
Yay! Yay! Don't want to hit my arm!
It would be a lot more pretty if Catherine wasn't here though. But it's okay, it's still good. It's still good. Write something.
Whoa! Completely retarded.
Yeah, I have to agree.
Yeah, guys, ready?
Ready?
Whoa! It's lighting up.
No! Oh my god.
It's burning on the bar. Retard. 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 Do this. Ow! My bad. I got it though. I got the fire out.
Thanks. It was out before you kicked the set.
No one knows that.